Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use reports in Smartsheet. Reports are an incredibly powerful feature that allow you to pull data from multiple sheets into one organized view, making it much easier to track progress and analyze information across your projects. First, open your browser and navigate to smartsheet.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. This will bring you to your Smartsheet dashboard where you can access all your workspaces and sheets. Now look for the option that says Add to Workspace and click on it. From the menu that appears, select Report. You'll notice that Smartsheet gives you two types of reports to choose from, row report or sheet summary report. A row report pulls individual rows from your sheets based on criteria you set, while a sheet summary report focuses on summarizing data. Choose the one that best fits what you're trying to accomplish. Next, you'll see a section called Source Sheets. This is where you specify which sheet or project you want to generate a report from. Click on it and select the sheet that contains the data you need. You can even pull from multiple sheets if necessary, which is perfect for tracking information across different projects. Once you've selected your source, click Next to move forward. Now you're at the Columns to Display section. Here you can choose exactly which columns you want to show in your report. This gives you control over what information appears, so you're not overwhelmed with unnecessary data. Select the columns that matter most for your analysis, then click Next. The next step is filtering. If you want to narrow down the data that appears in your report, this is where you do it. Click on the filter option and edit the field to set your criteria. Maybe you only want to see tasks assigned to a specific person or items marked as high priority. Once you've configured your filters, click Apply to save them. Now let's talk about organization. You can group your report by clicking the Group button, which helps you organize rows by categories like status or assignee. After setting your grouping preferences, click OK. If you want to add numerical summaries, click Summarize, configure what you'd like to total or average, then click OK. You can also sort your data by clicking Sort, editing the sorting order, and clicking OK to finalize. Finally, if you need a physical copy or a PDF of your report, simply click the print icon at the top of the page. This will open the print dialog where you can save or print your report. And there you have it. You've successfully created and customized a report in Smartsheet that pulls exactly the data you need in a clear, organized format. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.